Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your right click. So we can simply add notepad into this right click mouse button. So for that we need to go for search option and going to search for registry editor, run as administrator. And now we're going to paste this command and going to click enter. And after that we're going to click on the right mouse button and going to click on a new key and going to name it as notepad. Click enter and going to click on the default value as and notepad. Click enter, and after into the notepad we're going to create another new key. I'm going to name it as command. Into the command we can simply click on this default and type here notepad.exe and click OK. And now if I just as you can see right now, if we just click on the right click, as we can see here is a notepad, and if you click on it the notepad is likely open.